Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix game crashing on PC. Chapter 1. How to fix game crashing on PC configuring performance. To start, in the search box, enter the command Sysdm.cpl. Click on the command. Now in the Advanced tab, click on Settings, which you see in the Performance section. After that, activate the box, Adjust for best performance. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Chapter 2. How to fix game crashing on PC from power mode. To start, open Start and select Settings. Then in the System, click on Power. In this window, in the Power Mode section, set the best performance option. Chapter 3. How to game crashing on PC with terminal. To begin, right-click on Start and select Terminal Administrator. Click Yes to access. In the terminal, run the command sfc/scannow to scan the file system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for the Windows file system to be analyzed. Chapter 4. How to fix game crashing on PC from shortcut. To start, right-click on the shortcut of the game with error. Select Properties. Here in the Compatibility tab, check the box, run this program as an administrator. Then, click Change High DPI Settings. Check the Use this settings to fix scaling problems for this program instead of the one in Settings. Apply the changes and close the window. Chapter 5. How to fix game crashing on PC from Task Manager. To begin, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. After that, select the program that affects the game. Click on End Task. Chapter 6. How to fix game crashing on PC configuring background. To start, open Start and click on Settings. Now in the Apps section, click on Installed Apps. Find the application and click on the three dots. Choose Advanced Options. After this, in Background App Permissions, select the Never option. Chapter 7. How to fix game crashing on PC updating the system. To start, click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Then, in Windows Update, click Check for updates or confirm if there are updates available for the system. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.